Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record screen with audio in PC. It's quite easy because Windows do have inbuilt feature in order to do this. So in order to access the app or in order to access that feature, you need to hit Windows plus Shift plus S key from the keyboard and the tool will get open. So just right here you need to click on this button which is for snip. Once you select that, you just need to select the area which you wanna record. In my case, I wanna record full screen, so I'm just gonna select my full screen. Then once you do that, here you can see this option which is for microphone. If you wanna mute this, click on that. The mic will get mute and the screen will get recorded without microphone, or you can say without audio. But I wanna record that with audio. I'm gonna unmute my mic. Just next to that option we have the option for system audio. So if you want to record the system audio like YouTube background music, something like that, then you need to make sure that this option should be turned on. So I want to record system audio too, so that's why I'll just keep this turned on. In order to record the screen, we just need to click on start button, and yeah, once you do that, you will see that the countdown will begin, and once the countdown ends, the recording will start. Now you can do anything and that will get recorded on your PC. So let's say I open Chrome, you can see that the recording is still going on, and that's what we wanted. So let me just stop the recording now. Once the recording is stopped, you will see this window that they have saved the recording. So in order to check that recording on your file explorer, what you need to do, firstly open this PC, then we need to open C drive where we have installed Windows. Then among all of these folders, we need to find the users folder which is right here. So just open that. Then here you will see your name, so open that up, and just right here you have the option or you have the folder for videos. So we have to open that up, and yeah, just right here we have the folder called screen recordings. So open this too, and yeah, here you can see this is the screen recording which we have recorded. Here you can see that. And yeah guys, that's it. This is how you can record screen with audio on your PC. But in case if the feature is not available in your case, you can try the second method. Like if you have any other operating system, something like Windows 10 or Linux, then in that case what you can do, you can just install the software called OBS, which is the most popular software in this specific niche, like in terms of recording screen and audios. Even you can see that I am recording my screen by using the same software. So we just need to open the software by searching OBS. This is their official site, so you can just download the software and start recording your screen with audio. But yeah, that's it. This is how you can record screen with audio on your PC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.